Yo guys, what is up? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome to the live stream. We got some more device mod development, but before we start guys, we got something insane. I've got something insane to show you guys, because maybe you've seen it already if you follow me on Twitter. If you follow me on Discord, if you're on Discord, I didn't really post the link, but if you follow me on Twitter, right, you would know that I actually posted a video of the printer. I posted a video of the printer over on the Minecraft subreddit. Alright? It went insane. It actually went insane. And I don't have the chat up right now. Let me get the chat up right now. Down the chat right. Welcome everybody, welcome. Mic is very loud. Oh god, hold up. Are we good? Oh. Why is it peaking? Hold up. Why is that? Let me just fix this up. Ah, here we go. Is that... Hold up. Why is it so loud? Oh, let me check the actual... Let me check the recording levels. Alright, is that better? I think that's better. Is that better, guys? I don't think it's gonna peak now. It was on 100%. It was on 100% recording level. I'm sorry about that. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the live stream. We're doing some more device mod development today. I'm just going to start the intro off again because it probably like killed all the headphone users out there. Welcome everybody. I see you in the chat. Right now. Weekend live stream. But yeah, as I was saying, I posted the printer, right? A video of the printer over on Reddit. And it blew up, guys. It actually blew up, and it is literally the top third post ever on the Minecraft subreddit at the moment, like ever. So it's got, let me get an active upvote count right now. 24.1k upvotes on Reddit. It is insane. 24.1. Here, I'll get this up here. Just so you guys can actually see it. And we'll go through some of the comments on this. Let me just get this a little bit better. Let's put that like, maybe like that, so that we don't have the sidebar in it. Ugh! Why is it doing that? Alright, stay there. So here it is. This is the post showing off the printer. And this is basically what I did. I'll show you guys this video on stream. I think it would be good. I'm not doing anything. It's just the video. Just watch this though. But yeah, this is basically what I showed off to them over on Reddit, and it went it's insane. It's got 700 comments on this post, top third post ever on the subreddit. Cray, talk about that guy that called you out for stealing the device. I think he was just a troll. There was no way he was serious. But wait, there's more. I think this is the part that everybody was like, holy, like they lost their shiz. They lost their shiz. But yeah, that blew up, and that is actually insane. Like, let's go to my profile here. Submitted. But yeah, pretty much I think my top 2 posts on that I've submitted, well, that's my top one now, 24.2k now. As we're talking here, it's going up still. But my 3rd top post here is again another one to do with the device mod. What was this one? I think this is just showing off Pixel Painter itself again. But, you know, insane. I knew it was gonna go big, but I didn't expect it to be this big in terms of upvotes. So many comments as well. I haven't even been able to keep up with them. But if you've upvoted it, you've made a comment or something on this post, thank you so much. You know, there's been like tons of people that like aren't following Minecraft, but because this post came up on like the front page, it came up on all, it came up on popular, people found this post and, you know, commented on it. So it's good that I'm reaching people. Like, Reddit is such a powerful tool. Like, people don't realize Reddit is such a powerful tool. You know, for promotion and stuff like that. And this has probably really helped get my mod out there. And like, big people have noticed it as well, like big people in the modding game. So I think Direwolf retweeted it. I think it's been, you know, it's been seen by like a lot of top mod authors. I think iTunes has seen it. It would be better if you could make it not show the item frame when you share it. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is actually have like a custom entity, so I don't have to deal with item frame stuff anymore. You'll probably pretty much be able to plaster it on a wall straight away. But I still want to make it, you know, I want to still make it so you can actually rotate it. I think that's just a cool feature about it. Unfortunately, Reddit has recently been taken down by normies. I don't know. I still think Reddit's a great place. I still think Reddit's a great page. There's still memes happening. Like, a lot of people, like, I didn't know, like, the memes of Reddit. But, like, people are like, oh, I'm expecting send nudes. Or, something called, I don't want to say it, I don't know. Okay, I'll just say it because it's the meme, but it's called dick butt. And you can search it up yourself. I mean, if you're young, don't search it up. But do it your own wishing. I don't know. Do it at your own discretion. There's the word. I found it. Hey, Stinky Cray, your main channel's stinky because you haven't touched it for a long time. Yeah, I'm getting back into it. I'm gonna do a video today. I'm gonna do a video today on the printer. Tomorrow I want to get a video done explaining where I've been and all that type of stuff, so it doesn't seem random, but yeah. But yeah, 2 people have gifted me gold on here as well, which is, again, insane. So, thank you to those 2 people that gifted me gold on here. I think it's like gold for like 3 months. I don't know. Let's have a look. 2 months and 1 day. Damn. That's insane. But like, let's have a look. Where's... I think this is a unread. Oh wow. I just went into unread and yeah. There's so many comments to go through. It's an actual insane, but whew. Oh my god, I think someone VR in the device mod. I don't think I'll be doing that. Do I have Discord? Yeah, well, we have a Discord server which you guys can actually join. There is an invite link in the description below. So if you want to keep up with all development in terms of the device mod, do so. I've also got like a public channel here showing every single commit which actually happens. So in real time you'll see, you know, when I'm actively actually working on it and all the new stuff that's going into the mod. But got a ton of new stars, which is pretty cool. App ideas, make a Discord app. But yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. Join it if you wanna, you know, if you're interested in developing. an app with the device API. Do that. Let's have a look what people have been saying. Did we ask for this? Probably not. Do we need this? Definitely yes. Oh god. I hope you can add shift click to insert a full stack. Yeah, that's what I might actually do today, because right now you can't do that. And the only way you can do this is you actually have to override an event, which can be done. Would it be displayed similarly when placed in a bibliocraft tool rack, shelf, or weapon rack? Or would it just display as a piece of paper? Only a piece of paper. I can't like reply to half. I mean, I can reply to them, but it's just gonna take me forever, and I don't want you guys, you know, sitting here watching me reply to comments. So we're gonna get straight into development today. So we're gonna be working some more on the printer today. So if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now, and turn on post notifications as well, so you get notified when I actually go live. I am changing up my streaming schedule because it seems that, you know, starting my live streams at 10 AM, 10:30 AM my time seems to fit into my schedule. Well, it makes my schedule better in a way, because I get up earlier, I do a live stream right in the morning, then I feel like refreshed and energized. I feel refreshed and energized. So, turn on post notifications. It's also a lot better for people that are in the United States as well, because it's not 6 AM when I'm actually live streaming, or 4 AM, whatever. Did you look at the snapshot debug stick? I saw on Reddit what it actually does. I think all it does, oh no, from my understanding, it like literally just increases the meta value by 1 each time, or one of the things. I think it's cool though. I'll definitely have to check it out. I don't think I'll do it on live stream, but I'm definitely gonna check it out. You don't have DVR enabled on the stream, so it won't be recorded onto the channel. I don't know if you have it set like that. Really? What the flip? You sure about that? Why does like half my settings get turned off? Advanced setting. What do you mean? Oh. Pretty much it's, if I enable DVR, it just allows people to start from the start of the live stream. This will be up on my channel later on. It just doesn't allow you to, you know, seek back in the live stream. Whoops, I'll make sure I turn that on next time. I can't actually turn it back on, unfortunately. And I'm not just going to start the live stream again either, so. Why am I ignoring your chats, Cray? There's a lot of people talking right now in the chat, and it's hard to get, you know, hard to read out everybody's comments, like, when I've actually got to get stuff done as well, so. I apologize, like, I appreciate the comments and you guys chatting, but, like, sometimes there's too many things to go through, and that I can't, you know, answer to everybody. Just know that when we're doing live streams, it's hard to answer everybody because there's so many chats. When will I finish the device mod? I don't know when. Like, I want to get out a new version for you guys, because a lot of you guys are like, come on, release one for us. Release one for us. So, I think the next update will definitely have the printer in it, and I want to get it out for you guys, like, ASAP. ASAP. Like, that's my goal right now. I want to get it out ASAP. When does holidays start in America, guys? When does holidays start in America, like, for Christmas? Is it like 2 weeks before Christmas? Is it like 1 week before Christmas? It's so weird that, like, in America, school starts, like, halfway through the year. Like, I just find it weird as being an Australian, because we have, like... Because for us, it starts at the start of the year and ends at the end of the year. So, like, I don't know. To me, it just seems normal that each year I start anew and the next... Oh, I've already finished school, but, like... I'm going off topic. I'm going off topic. Hashtag stinky Cray. I'm not stinky. I'm not stinky. Nah, I do need a shower. Jeez, Cray, stop assuming my region. I live on Mars. Mars is my city. Alright, so I just want to quickly update you guys, you know, show you guys the current progress on the printer. I know I showed you that video, but I still want to like do a proper recap before we get into this. It's only been like 16 minutes, you know, doesn't matter too much. Cray, can you release for one version so we can go onto a server? I do have like a test server, but it's kind of closed. It's kind of like a closed server at the moment. Not as in it's closed, but like it's limited people only at the moment, just because we're still trying to sort out a way. I mean, right now we have no way to do any sort of protection or anything like that, so to have like a public server is not an option at the moment, because like people would join on, people would grief, so don't want that to happen. Okay, yeah. That was a meme. We're not gonna go into that. Alright. Alright. So, this is probably what you saw from the video anyway. This is what you saw from the video anyway. But, there's the printer. You know, we can draw stuff. Oh, hold up. Hold up. We're gonna have to restart the game here. I made some changes to the code, just for lols. I was gonna restart the game here real quickly. So I made a simple joke about you making me moderator, and now there's a hashtag on the server. What have I done? There is. Oh god. 4chan approves. Yeah, I have to change it back to. I'll do it now. I put you back on regular because I'm nice. But to the people, I'm just gonna say this right now, to the people that watch the live streams while I develop the printer, thank you guys so much. Like seriously, like I don't. It was only okay. Why is that? Why is it still there? Why is it still there? But like to the people that watch the live streams of me developing. What is this? Hold up. What is this? Now it's not loading the actual printer. This is the bug that I was talking about. I think this is not any bug to do with me. It's Minecraft. It is Minecraft, guys. Because literally, now that's not loading. Let's create a new world. This is helping me understand Java. If it is, that's good. That is good if it's helping you understand Java. Cray, the printer is stinky. What? The street? Wait, what? You can't do as much as plugin. I don't know why people insist on plugins because they're very limited. Yeah, true. I just tried to type, but apparently the type box thing wasn't focused and I did a weird thing to the video. That happens. That definitely happens when you're tired. But I think like one thing as well that I want to show off to Reddit, which I think will be good, is that light application that we built, the light switch application. If you guys are there, let me know if you watch that live stream. If you watch that live stream, you're an OG. You're an OG. You're a real one. You're a real one if you watch that live stream. But we basically developed an application which had like Wi-Fi lights, which is dope. Alright, let's just make sure this is working. Alright. I think I might know why it's not working right. So so I place it down, load it back up. Oh no, it worked. Okay, cool. Did you just swear on this Christian stream? I'm sorry. Can everybody just like get some water, swig it real quickly, guys, just to cleanse everybody, to cleanse yourself? Cray should add a spinning chair to the device mod. Yeah, that'd be cool. I think that'd be a good idea. Like, I know I've got like the I guess the office chair from the community edition would be cool in it, I reckon. Like, as an extra thing. Maybe I'll create my own chair. Create my own version of the chair. Because that would be cool to actually be able to have that in stream 100%. Why is there a name tag above the printer? So, why there's a name tag is so you can actually identify, you know, the printer name. Now, by default, it's just called printer, but you can actually, you know, rename it using an anvil, like so. So I could do like Cray's printer. And then, like, when you actually place that down, it says it. Because when you're inside of, you know, you go to print here, it has Cray's printer, and like you could print it, right? And then like which one was that printer, you know? So it's easy to identify if you just hover over it and it says Cray's printer. So it's just helpful. Hello there, Pigu. Is that Sir Piggles? No, he hasn't got the same eyes. He hasn't got the same eyes. It's alright. What about a pig laptop stand? So you use your laptop on a pig. Someone can make a pig nav app. I wonder if that would be possible. Have you thought about having a file storage sizes? It's kind of hard to determine the size. Like, really, it's hard to determine the size because, like, I don't know. It's hard to limit MBT tags because, like, I don't know. Add a phone. He cussed on accident during a Christian stream before. We're always Christian stream. What are you talking about? But I blessed everybody. I cleansed everybody afterwards, so it was alright. It was alright. I can swear as much as I want as long as I cleanse. Nah, I try not to. I try not to swear on streams. Like, I honestly, okay, people know this. I think I said it in the previous live stream. I do swear in real life, but on these live streams, I just don't like to swear. It's a normal thing if you're an adult. Maybe if you're actually really Christian, you wouldn't. But, I mean, if you're from Australia, there's no doubt you swear. I think everybody in Australia would swear. And we have some pretty brutal words when we say them. But let's not talk about that. Let's talk about the device mod. Yeah, let's go ahead and just draw something real quickly. I was supposed to do a bit of a recap. Oh, bless me. Bless me. Can I get a blessing, everybody? It's toast. That is toast, my dudes. Ah, that won't work. Toast. We need some paper. Ah, it's beautiful. The sound of a printer brings back memories. But yeah, everybody really liked, you know, the feel of this actual printer. Like, it wasn't like, because it prints out slow, it brings like a very, I don't know, realistic feel to like the printer of people my age. Because like, I mean, like there's fast printers, but like this is like, you know, an ink printer, inkjet type printer. An ink laser printer? I don't know. By the way, how come you give the painting a name before you draw it, then you save it, you give it a name again? Yeah, I gotta fix that up. Dot matrix printer? Nah. The sound of those are annoying. The sound of those are annoying. It's just too loud. It's like, I had to like, when I was designing, like, because I used a bunch of different files to create the sounds for this printer. I spent like quite some time actually, you know, creating something that sounds good, because if it doesn't sound good, it's going to be annoying to use the print. It needs to be like, not annoying. I think I might just quickly turn on my fan. My Nintendo Switch just in the background there. I was like too excited to like do anything. I just went straight onto Reddit to read comments. You should make it so if you hold out the paper, then you can see what you printed. Yeah, I was thinking about that, but there's not like an easy way. Oh no, I think there is actually. Might be able to render something. Alright. Alright. Yeah. So this is our printer. Then we can go ahead. Get an item frame. Kaboom. Or we can cut it out using some shears here. And a crafting table. How many people we got watching this live stream today? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. If you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, make sure you go over to my Twitter and retweet the latest tweet to get a shout out. I don't think we have any moderators in the chat. I wish we could, somebody could post the link. Post a link to my profile. I'm gonna be setting up my stream deck here to actually have a button that will send off a link to like my Twitter and that type of stuff real easily, so you guys can actually, you know, retweet the tweet and get like a dope shout out. Easy. So if you guys want to get a shout out, make sure you go to my Twitter, follow me, retweet my latest tweet, and I'll be shouting your name out at the end of this live stream. If you're a regular, you already know, but for the new people out there, go do that. Go do it right now. I'm not going to continue the live stream unless you go over there right now and you know, retweet it. But how many people do we have watching right now? That'd be cool to know. I don't have like the live count up or stream. Cray, we got our first suggestion for a YouTube app in the stream. Ding, 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 win, win, win. I'm not even going to go over it. We already know what the answer is going to be to that. 27? Oh, not bad. Not bad. How many likes have we got so far? Because we need 1 billion likes. Otherwise, I'm never ending the stream. Alright. Easy. Alright, so did we cut that out? No, we didn't. Oopsie. Let's do this. Kachinga. And kaboom. It's a bit of toast. It is a bit of toast. But like people saying like from like a artistic value, like this is gonna be cool because somebody will have to create like any sort of picture they want now. Any sort of picture they want. So we might even have like I think we might even have like some sort of art competition, which would be cool. But like it'd be hard to judge it because like how do I know you didn't just like copy a picture? But I'd probably be able to tell whether or not if you did. So did you laugh or did you lose? The rules are simple. Alright, there we go. Oh, what a beautiful sunset. Alright, so what we're going to do is actually make it so when you shift right click it with paper, then it's going to add it to it. Now, you can't do it inside of the block class, however, we're going to double check that. Because on block activated gets ignored if you're shift clicking, but we can double check this. So like, yeah, here. So event use block allow. So yeah, there's no, so I'm just trying to figure out how we can bypass event.getUse block. What does that come from? Event. Right click block. Okay. This event we need. We want this event and then we want to be able to bypass it. Event get use block. What's this? How do you... Okay. So I guess we'll allow it. We can just say allow it in the actual event, and then it will actually, you know, call it. Alright, cool. I don't know where to do this, but we'll do it in common proxy. Public void on right click block. Event. If event get entity player, can that be null? I don't think it can be. It's a player event, so it won't ever not be. Alright, entity player. Alright. Event.get. Alright, so we can get the item stack. I think that's what we wanted. Dot and event get item stack dot get item, which is items dot paper. If event dot get how do we determine what the block we hit was? I'm gonna assume pos. Can we get the world from the event? Get world. Okay, cool. World equals event dot get world. So if world dot get block state event dot get pos dot get block equal device blocks dot printer, then we'll do event dot set use block result dot allow. Alright, there we go. And then we shall now be able to in block printer here, right? This is the bit that I couldn't do. So if it's sneaking, basically in here we got a boolean called add all. So if it is sneaking, add all's true. If it's false, then add all is null. And then pretty much it adds it to the stack, gets the remaining. Cause I can fly, guys. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite songs. Cray, check images. You could do it on the server and have a timer for the competition. Oh, that would be a good idea. Yeah. I think that would be a good idea. So we have like an art competition on the actual server. Dude, that would be amazing. I really want to get the test server updated with this printer. I really wanted to get it updated with this printer. But like the next update is the icons update. I really need to finish that off. Unless we change it around, but still, I want to finish off the icons update because it's a pretty important part. I don't know if you saw the suggestion in a prior stream, but you should hold competitions for making an app. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I definitely want to do it. Maybe we'll have like a competition during mod week. Maybe we have a competition during mod week. I think it'd be cool. I was going to figure out what the prize and stuff is going to be, how we're going to vote on it. Is it going to be like a user vote? Or is it be like a judge panel? A judge panel. Alright, let's test this out, see if it works. I guess I gotta do some of my version of the device one in Kotlin because deconstructing declarations are much needed. Add a way to take paper out of the top of the printer. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. What I'm actually gonna do is add a GUI to it, just to simply, you know, be able to refill ink, and then you can also take and put paper into it if you want to. Just something simple, not like crazy. How do you choose moderators? What? At the end of the stream, how do you feel about checking out the progress? Checking out my work in progress computer center on the lockdown server? Okay, yeah, I'll check that out. I'll see what it's like. We'll jump on the server real quickly afterwards. Alright, so... boom. So there we go, that works. Let's test it out again. But let's try... right. So... right. I just want to test that this actually works. So we're going to do 60, right? We're going to get paper, right? And it should take 4 off of it. Ah! Ah! What did I do? So, paper count. I forgot to change. Paper count equals math.max. Alright, let's double check this now. That wasn't supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. Paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I should be able to add all them. No! One, two, three, 4. Alright, there we go. Oh no, let's see. Min. Ugh, I did the calculation wrong. I think it's 64. Remaining. So if I add the entire stack, Hold on, I need to go to the toilet real quickly, guys. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm going to the pooper. Literally. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Leave me some suggestions. Leave me some suggestions on what I should add to the printer. What I should add to the printer, and I'll come read it back when I get back. BRB, guys. I might talk to you guys in the chat. Oh hey, I'm back. Rip half the viewers probably. Rip half the viewers. Oh god, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh god. Yeah, view watch page. Oh no, still got quite a decent amount of people watching. Thanks guys for staying around. Thank you for staying around. Sorry it took so long. But I'm back. Let's have a look. Blah 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 blah. Add a system for two computers with different emails. Maybe, I don't know. Different color dyes for different ink. Okay. How was that Vegemite? What? It was fine. I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, so... Shrink. So let's just make sure I'm doing this calculation right. So it won't add at all if the paper's full. So from this I should have 4 paper left. Okay, whoops. So I have 4 left. Set count remaining. Stack.set count 0. I think we can do this. Alright, let's test this out. Pop that in, pop that in. Oh, no, it won't work there. Paper. So we'll go ahead and we'll just add 60. And then we'll go ahead, grab like another stack. And it should only take 4 away. Kaboom! Boom ya! Big shock! Big shock! Refresh your stream, buddy. We take a Vegemite. Hey Cray, are you secretly Justin Bieber? Maybe I am. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm a billionaire. Millionaire. Big shock. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna have to post that video over on my Facebook page as well. I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good idea. If I post that video on my Facebook page as well. Who here follows me on Facebook? Like, I don't even like. I mean, I got it in my pro thing, but like, I don't use it as often. I still post on it, but like not as often as I would on like my Twitter. Alright, Alright, that definitely works. Alright, boom, cool. You're done now. We can even just, because that's only literally being used there, we can just do like that. There's literally no point if I'm the remaining. Me 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1, that's 3, quick maths. If you guys want to get a shout out, somebody said give me a shout out. If you guys want to get a shout out, retweet my tweet over on Twitter. Link is in the description below for my profile. And if you guys are enjoying the stream so far, I know I took long on the pooper. But if you guys are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. I don't know what like count we're up to. Let's have a look. What are we up to? What's our like count? What is our like count? I need to see my like count. We're at 29 likes. We're at 29 likes right now. We can do better than that. We can do better than that. So go ahead, snap that like button right now if you have not so. Alright, easy. And let's go ahead and commit that. Make sure everything's up to date here. Because sometimes decides to not be up to date and then have to do 2 commits. Added canal. Can now shift click or paper into printer. Kachinga. A sinker. Alright, there we go. So one thing I want to do is make it an entity. I don't think I'll make it today, but like basically I want to get rid of item frames and have my own so I can actually not render the item frame, which is annoying. Will Furniture Mod Inc. work with this mod? No. I'm not going to be adding... it depends. I don't think I'll add compatibility though. Maybe. Stretchy stretch. Oh. I felt that. I felt that. I made everybody yawn. I made everybody yawn. Holy! I just looked at my Reddit inbox. It says I got 63. Let's have a look. Nice work. People think it's like a printer mod. People think it's a printer mod. Like, I didn't like have any in the Reddit post, if you guys didn't know. Blew up. It blew up on Reddit. I don't even know. It's still on the front page, which is pretty good. After 17 hours. Not bad. But it literally blew up. It literally blew up. Still on the top of the Minecraft one. Oh, you guys can't see this. Hold up. But it's at the top right now, but it literally blew up. Literally blew up. But I didn't post any sort of details about what the mod is. I'm sure people will recognize it if I post like another one. But people think like it's like a printer mod. It's a printer mod. So much more than a printer mod. 707 comments. 24.4k. It's gone up like another 300 just in this live stream today, which is insane. Like, this is not going to be the final. It's probably going to get to like 27, probably 27k. But actually insane that it got that many upvotes, and it is again, you know, here all time top number three. Like, how insane is that? Out of the whole entire subreddit, it's number 3. Just number 3. It's even bigger than the never forget the first rule, which is insane. Never thought somewhere would pass that, but it did. It's weird that I don't yawn by proxy because I don't have mirror neurons connected correctly. Hey Cray, do you think you're lit, fam? What? What type of question is that? Who's lit? Who's lit right now? Where's everybody right now? Show yourself, everybody, by posting a cheese emoji in the chat right now. I'm gonna wait for you guys. Post a cheese emoji in the chat if you're watching right now. If you're watching right now. I need a signal. I need a sign. I need a sign from you guys. I need a sign. Yeah, we got people here. I'm gonna send my GPS location. What? Let's pop this up. Alright. So, next thing that I want to do. I don't want to do anything too difficult because I'm actually not doing a 2 hour. I'm doing a live stream's going to be ending off in a half an hour. So I'm trying to figure out what to do within this time frame that we have right now. So let's have a think. Let's have a think. What are we gonna do with this? What are we gonna do with this? Somebody was saying on the render for the actual paper here, not to render the kind of transparent pixels. We got a ton of cheese emojis. We got a ton of cheese emojis. Haven't had cheese and crackers in a while. I feel bad. I don't feel me without cheese and crackers. I wonder if it'd be a good idea to be able to plug in a flash drive into the printer and like just print off whatever's on it. So like maybe it's like a specific thing, like you actually create a folder called like printer, kind of like printer jobs or something like that. You create a folder in the root folder of your USB called print, and then you put files in there that you want to print, and then it could like actually print them out. I don't know if that would be a good idea or not. Like print them out automatically. It's kind of like a job list almost. Printer docs. Cray, when do you think you're adding a 3D printer? I don't think I'll be adding a 3D. Oh no, there might be. There might be. We'll see. I've got some ideas. I got some ideas, dude. Because I did mention this already, but I wanted to create like a kind of like a model creator, but like a more basic one. A more basic one, like it wouldn't allow you to actually, it wouldn't allow you to change UVs. You would just set a texture for that cube, and then it would render that texture all over it. But pretty much you'd be able to create like furniture, whatever, in game just by using like a model creator thing on the laptop here. Then you would have like some sort of 3D printer, right, which would actually print it out, and then it would then you'd be able to actually use that and potentially be able to set properties on it as well. So maybe there'd be like a sit property, maybe there'd be a light property on it, so you'd be able to do like all that type of stuff. When is there a new API install video? I have to do one soon. I might do one for like I'll do one for the next update. The next update. Printer hot folder. It's hot. Hot. Man's not hot though. Man's not hot though, Minecraft Doodler. Man's not hot. So I don't think I can call it that. Alright. So, trying to think. We gotta do GUI. I think that's like like some sort of the next stage of it. I really want to do the router. I know, I'm just want to do the router. I think the router will be fun to actually program. Maybe we'll do that next live stream. Start working on it. Do I do it in core? Extends. Extends GUI. Inventory. Is that the right one? I know. Probably don't want to do that. What is... I haven't worked with on a GUI container. Aye, this is it. Alright, cool. So basically we're gonna have like a GUI which allows you to take out paper, put in paper, and also be able to refill the ink. Now I'm trying to think how I can do the ink, because right now like it's not possible to like determine. I mean, it's possible to determine the color, but like how do I do it exactly? If you guys have any ideas how I should like do the ink, let me know right now, because I could make it like I could make it like just simply consume an ink cartridge. I can make it consume an ink cartridge. But like, is that a good way to do it? Because it's like, it's hard to determine what the color is, because it doesn't really like support that. Like, it's really up to the person who develops the print to determine the color, and I don't want to kind of add that dependency. Because like, if you create like a custom print, right, for your mod, then you've got to write your own thing saying, you know, what colors are being used. Special bottle of ink. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking, like have just one item which is like kind of like a print thing. And like maybe as well, right, we can say in the oopsie, in the print interface here, right, we could have something like we could have something like Boolean requires color, right? We can have something like that, right? Because then we can have like an 2 ink cartridges, right? One is key or black, and then the other ink cartridge is like a CY, cyan, yellow, and magenta. And if it requires color, then if it requires color, right, then it will use the key and the color and the actual color ink cartridges. So it will use 2. However, if it doesn't require ink, doesn't require color, then it only consumes the black or the key. Like, that's a good way to do it, because like the color will be more expensive than the black or the key. Key is the technical term. Am I Shaggy from Scooby-Doo? No, what are you talking about? Do ink cartridges but make 2 different ones, black and white, and color cartridges? Give a damage value and take... Oh, that's a good idea. Take a percentage off of it. That's a good idea, actually. I didn't think about that. So you would basically make ink cartridges only be able to stack to 1. Hold on, let's get this. Let me write this down. Otherwise, I'm going to forget. Otherwise, I'm 100% going to forget. Hold up. Give me 2 secs. I'm going to get up a document here. Coding. Alright, we'll actually just write it probably in here. Where was this? Hold up. Printing takes damage. Makes in cartridge. Cartridge take damage. Cartridge can only stack to 1. So like durability, yeah. There'll be durability to it, essentially. It'd be more like an ink level. How much it's going to be, I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Depends how expensive the ink is, and so on. The ink, right, is going to be more expensive than crafting a printer. It's going to be more expensive than crafting the printer. That's just how it's going to be. That'd be funny. Check Discord. Hold up. Just making sure. Someone said check stream. Ah, here we go. Color ink bottle. That's not a bad way to do it, actually. I like the idea of actually using the bottle as like the thing. Oh no. Stop with the Donkey Kong pictures. What is going on? Minecraft recipe designer. Oh, okay. Didn't know that was a thing. If you guys want to create crafting recipes, go to that website. That's a good way to do it. Ooh, somebody added a new star. Thank you for that. Printing zone makes in cartridge take damage. Cartridge can be stacked to 1. Instead of RGB, we're gonna use cyan, yellow, magenta. That's they're the real colors. I think it was there, yeah. So you got RGB. It should be cyan, yellow, and magenta. I'm pretty sure you can actually create a bottle with a custom color, because it's all done through code. So that will do that. Alright. I think, someone said join the server for the last part of this live stream, which I might do, because I feel like if we start anything now, we're not going to have any time to do anything. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to switch up here. I forgot iron nuggets were a thing. Yeah, no, like I don't even, doesn't even like, you know, doesn't even like come across to me that iron nuggets is a thing still. Alright, let's log into the server here. Let's see what's going on. Somebody said they built like a computer center. We must investigate. Oh, okay. Oh, what the? I'm just in the air. I thought I was special there for a second. So this is our test server. There's not like a lot on it at the moment. I think, is this the computer thing? This is Empire City. Okay, nothing really in there. I think it was this, someone said. I think I've seen it already. I've seen it already. Oh no, upgraded it. What's down here? Oh wow. The insane. What is down here? What the flip? It's gonna be like one computer. Ah, it's a elevator. Oh wow. Oh, let's see if this works. Oh, it's coming down. Oh, this is cool. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. They actually made like a working elevator. That's cool. See you later. Oh my god, the flashing on that though. Oh god. Oh! Okay, doesn't work too well on laggy servers. Doesn't work too well on laggy servers. What's this? Ah, goes to there. Alright, let's go back up. See if I got any emails. Do I have any emails? Oh, what the flip? I got a ton of emails here. This one's new actually. Pokecraft. Huh. Oh, someone drew me a picture. Gotta catch them all, crayfish. Alright, let's save that. Alright. Let's close it up. Let's see what this is. Ah! Oh my god. Somebody drew this for me. Somebody drew this for me. Gotta catch. Nice little picture there. Somebody sent to me. I need to fix up this issue with that. Give me a flash drive. We got a flash drive. There we go. Somebody got a USB in here. Huh. Private drive. There's probably nothing on it. Probably nothing on it. Ugh. I'm so tired. Oh, I need to have a good sleep. Alright. Let's say a division of Ministry of Computers. Computer Development Center. Yeah, I need to implement it so when you actually break a laptop, it drops it with the data on it. So pretty much it'd be impossible to lose the files. We have a secret message here. What is on it? What is on it? There's something on this there's something on this USB, guys. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Let's check what these are. Crayfish riding on a skateboard. Greg. I'm pretty sure I designed that thing. Mr. Crayfish. Ah, that's cool. I like that. I like that. It's a beautiful picture of me. I'm gonna save. Oopsie, hold up. I'm gonna copy that. Copy. Paste it into here. We'll put that back into the chest. We didn't steal it. We didn't steal it. And now we can actually put in our own USB here. Let's copy that. Put that into there. There we go. Now we've got that file for ourselves. We can run off with it. Yeah, this version doesn't have the printer in it yet, so we can't actually print it off. But I think once it is added to this test server, people are going to be able to, you know, put pictures up everywhere. I mean, everywhere. Alright. Let's go to this is my house over here. Nobody's allowed to go to my house. This is my house. You know I'm watching the stream so I can hear you? Yeah. Whoops. I just assume like there's a massive delay. I just assume there's a massive delay. That's the problem, you gotta be active. Yeah, I can't print anything out, unfortunately. I want to be able to print it out on here, but test serve didn't allow it. Alright, dope. I think I might end off the live stream here. So I'm going to go ahead and do some Twitter shout outs. We got a message here from Pam. Damn it, Mr. Cray, if you should stop making awesome stuff. I can't keep up. Thanks, Pam. That's on Twitter, that is. If you guys know who Pam is. Developer of Harvestcraft. Developer of Harvestcraft. We got a couple of retweets here, a couple of quotes. So I'll read the quotes out. We got a shout out to Duncan. We're gonna shout out to Jonathan K. Oh no, that's not it. Whoopsie. But I mean, I just read it out. We got Jake Crowley, Grant, Minecraft Dude, like Gamer RO, Tyrell, Bubba, Christmas G, Mr. Butters, Fabby50, and Thigh More. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on Twitter. Truly appreciate your support. Let's see look how crazy this post went on Twitter. This is like not usual for me, but 304 likes, 61 retweets. That's a pretty good tweet there. That's actually got 304 likes. Insane. I see you. Calm down. Calm down. But that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this live stream. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and slap that like button. And I will see you guys later. Bye.